Hello students, once again. So what we have to do in this scenario is we have to again find CP like the last question in percentage, but here instead of profit percent from the last question we have loss percent. So just like last time, what we do is we use loss percent formula to find the value of CP. So now from percentage we all should know that loss percent equals to loss over CP multiplied by 100. Now since we are finding for CP, or in this scenario let us call CP as Y. So since we are finding for CP, we have to somehow change this loss also something which has CP. So loss we know is CP minus SP. So we have loss percent is equal to CP minus SP over CP times 100. So again from the last question, now it's just very similar to the last percentage question, but instead of profit percent we have loss percent now. So we know that loss percent is equal to 20, so we substituted 20 is equal to our CP value is Y, so we put on Y, minus our SP value is 4200, so we have minus 4200 over Y multiplied by 100. Now let me continue over here. Now we find for a value of Y here, so we transpose this Y to the left hand side, and we have 20 multiplied with Y is equal to Y minus 4200 multiplied with 100. So what we did again here was we transposed this Y to the left hand side, and all the right hand side we just copied it down. Now here it's very important to put a bracket because this 100 is being multiplied with both of these terms inside the bracket. That's why we have to put them in brackets. 20 times Y will give us 20Y, and again using distributive property we break down the brackets. 100 multiplied with Y will give us 100Y, and 100 multiplied with minus 4200 will give us minus 420,000. So what we did here was we used distributive property to break down the brackets. 100 multiplied by Y gave us 100Y, minus 100 multiplied by 4200 gave us 420,000. Now what we do is we keep the variables on one side and constants on one side, like simple linear equations. So we have to transpose this 100Y to the left hand side. So we have now 20Y minus 100Y is equal to minus 420,000. 20Y minus 100Y will give us minus 80Y is equal to minus 420,000. Now from simple linear equations or from previous videos you should be able to know that we cannot have negatives wherever there are variables. So we go ahead and multiply both sides with negative. And we have 80Y is equal to 420,000. Now so we are finding the value of Y, so we have to transpose this 80 to the right hand side, and we have Y is equal to 420,000 over 80. And from here we can see that immediately 0 and 0 can cut, and 420,000 can be divided by 8, so we will have 5,250 rupees. So in other terms we can say that our CP or cost price is equal to 5,250 rupees, and this will be our final answer.